Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 in 19 English Objective Past Question. Question number 89. 89 and the instruction here say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options, and the instruction here is to this instruction is to answer question for 71 100, and the statement here say it is called by the dash, and we agree that under it is we say it is called by blood parasite plasmodium, which is transmitted by the female dash mosquito. And of course we have two types of mosquito. We have the male type and we have the female type. So and we are talking of female mosquito, and in the medical perception the name for the female mosquito is even in biology it is known as anopheles. So we don't need to bother ourselves. So option A say Aedes, option B say anopheles, option C say culex, option D say elucine, the option E say masonia. So the correct option is option B, which is anopheles. So we can say that cause transmitted by the female anopheles mosquito. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.